Sorry guys, this is Strong Evil 4. I'm back. I had a problem with my camera. And anyways, it said that there was this like one god and he had a bunch of wives and that is just and I was all like, "What?" I mean, how can he have a bunch of wives? I mean, that's just really dumb and it's just uh and it also said uh, that he has a bunch of wives so that he can have sex with them and make all the spirit children and send them to Earth. Wait a minute. If I was born from anyone, isn't it from my parents? Sure. That is just wrong. The whole reason why we came here is because God created me and designed me. Well, my parents are the ones who physically created me. God was the one who designed me. My parents are the ones that helped create me. If it weren't for my parents, then I wouldn't exist. So, yeah, that's just bullcrap. And it actually said that Jesus and Lucifer were brothers. I'm not really sure if it really did, but it said that they were either friends or brothers. Okay, what? That's kind of funny. The more I think about it, it kind of reminds me of the whole Sonic Zombie thing, and it brings out a whole new meaning when the announcer was like, "And then Satan went to heaven to go meet Jesus because they were buddies." That's really funny. If you ever have a chance, then go search the Sonic Zombie thing too. It's freaking hilarious. Anyway, screw that. We're talking about Mormonism. Anyway, so it kind of brings out a whole meaning towards that. And they're not buddies. They freaking hate each other. And by the way, Jesus shouldn't even exist because Jesus is technically God, and God didn't even come to Earth until a couple thousand years after that. And that's kind of dumb. And it also said that at one point that they sent some random god, I forgot his name, but they sent out some random god to go have sex with Mary. Okay, look, God didn't send a random God from heaven to do that to Mary. Mary had sex with Joseph and then created Jesus. In the animation they said that the person said some random God came back to Earth to have sex with Mary and give Jesus a body. Okay, that's just really dumb. Okay, look, Mary, she had sex with Joseph, and then the baby was Jesus because God planned the baby to be Jesus, and they named it Jesus just like God planned. It was not like that at all, and and despite what was going on, which was plain up stupid.